So why are we stopping here?
These big mounds are fire ant hills. If we disturb them, the ants inside will get all riled up. And when fire ants get riled up, they swarm together and sting. So watch your step.
Kit! How's the case? How's the weather? How's Penelope? Tell me something, anything. This paperwork is getting so boring.
Well, I've got a couple leads.
This way, ants! Move, move, move!
Sam, I gotta go talk to these fire ants. I'll call you back.
Fire ants? Wait, don't leave me.
Excuse me.
Why'd you do it, Ants? Why'd you sting the prairie dog?
Prairie dog! Not that it's any of your business, but we've been out gathering figs all day.
Is that so?
It is so. What's the big idea? Are you looking to get stung or what?
Easy now. No need to get riled up.
You think they're telling the truth?
I don't know. I need a moment to think. Okay, what would Sam do? He'd look at the clues. The ants do have a lot of figs. But there weren't any fig trees near where Penelope was stung. And fire ants attack as a group. But Penelope was only stung once. So that means the fire ants didn't sting her. So sorry. Our mistake. We'll be going now.
All right, ants. Back to work!
Phew. Close call. Let's hope we have better luck with the bees. This is where these bees were last spotted. The hole in the ground gang.
They look like a tough bunch of stingers.
But where are they? I don't see any bees or any beehives. Barb? You hear that?
Kit, I think I figured out why they're called the Hole in the Ground Gang.
Of course! Some bees build their hives underground.
So we're...
Standing right on top of a beehive? Time to go! Yeah.
Kid, how'd it go with the ants? Did you catch the stinger yet?
Not yet, Sam.
Faster, Kit!
Is that Barb? Hi, Barb. What's that buzzing?
We've got company!
If I didn't know any better, I'd say you were being chased by a huge swarm of angry bees.
Sam, I gotta go! Look out! Whoa!
Buzz off! They're gaining on us. What do we do?
I have an idea.
They're gone.
Another close call. Ow!
You okay, partner?
I'm fine. Just a little bee sting.
Oh no, that's...
Great news! Look, the stinger is still stuck in my hand. But there wasn't a stinger stuck on Penelope's rear end. So that means the bee didn't sting her.
Did we just crack the case?
Nope. We still don't know who stung Penelope, and now we're all out of suspects.
Don't worry, Kit. The most important clue has probably been right in front of us all along.
That's what Sam would say. I wish he were here. He's the real master detective.
Careful, Kit!
Huh?
You were about to sit on a jumping cholla cactus. Even just brushing up against one of these makes their spines come off. See?
I've seen this kind of cactus before, but where? Whiskers, that's it! I know what stung Penelope! Come on! So, here's what happened. Miss Penelope. You were walking along. Good afternoon. Howdy, Sheriff. And you brushed up against this cactus. Little did you know, a cactus spine got stuck on your pants. You sat down and... Oh, ouchie! Here's your culprit, Sheriff. Still stuck where it stung poor Penelope. It was the cactus on the bench with the prickly spine.
Oh, so that's what stung me.
You figured it out.
Another creature case closed.